Your house better than I expected. But anyway, I think need to fix many
Yes.
parts. Need to fix.
Fix.
Some subscribers they want to help.
Fix. Bahay.
여기 렛렛 도와주라고 보내주신 후원금입니다. 아까 여기 이 돈에서 먹을 거 3,400페소 정도인가 샀고요. 남은 돈으로 집수리 하는데 일단 사용을 하려고 합니다. 그냥 현금 주는 것보다는 뭔가 뭐 집수리라든지 물품을 사주는 게 더 좋을 것 같아서 일단 집수리 하는데 사용을 하려고 합니다. Can you make list what you need? Wood, plywood like that? What you need?
Yes.
Make list total.
Now, sir. Now
Can you make now, right now, or you need time? Here, so can we buy now?
Yes. Merong hardware
Malapit?
dyan.
Yes,
Merong malapit.
yes.
One tricycle away. Can we contact our brother because he know how to fix
Oh,
the house?
I will show you money first. Who gave you? I will show you first, and then this money we will use buy wood and something to fix house. Okay? This is for you.
Wow.
Oh.
Thank you so much
Thank
to
you so
all
much.
the subscriber and all the sponsor. For business, 8,600. Thank you so much. Choyongmoon, 4,300. Thank you so much. Akuaking, thank you. Shinchi,
Shinchi.
신위호, I종im님. Thank you so much for all the help for my family and for my sister. Thank you.
Our brother shocked
Wow.
because this is a blessing that we did not expect.
Blessing. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
My father and mother, they become together 1983 or 1984. Then I was born 1985. They live here. Before it's a small house. Then they started fixing it like this. That's why this house is
Like ano,
older than me.
So you own.
We own that, but the income that we get is for the living only every day. It's hard for us to save a lot of money to fix the house. That's why this money that you are going to help us, a big help, especially the raining season. The window there, it's raining and the roof is flying.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Oh.
that's why.
If we buy wood, your brother can fix.
We'll
Yes,
fix the house.
My
My
we,
husband, her husband, my
Yeah.
cousin, and the uncle help.
yes,
Do you think enough? You can buy.
as what we can buy for that, it's a big help already, sir. So we are not we will not complain, of course.
We are very thankful.
Complain, hindi. Many thank you.
August 21, she will buy anything that he can sell her store.
Yeah,
August
because
21.
the lockdown, I don't know why it happening. She was delayed because of the situation also, not because of her.
I understand.
First, because it was raining, the season, we can't get the fish
So,
food.
nakakapasok pa siya.
And now, she cannot go to work because of the lockdown. So, we don't know how we can do it.
So, what?
Thank you for help.
How can I say walang anuman? This is thank you.
No problem.
No problem. No.
No.
problem. 75 na, hindi na alas.
Yung 90.
Lily Pop, 안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo. Ay, kukunin yung cellphone. Bilis. Annyeonghaseyo.
Ayaw.
Ay, ayaw. Okay, akin na to. Akin na. Oh, say it to Mr. Annyeonghaseyo.
He can.
안녕하세요 daw.
Sabi mo raw sa niya. Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Yes, try. Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Oh, magaling.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Oh, magaling.
Liam, yay! 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
May nakasaksak sa bibig.
감사합니다. Tanggal mo yan. 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요.
감사합니다. 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 Ay,
Lexa,
Lexa, Mr. One.
how old are you?
How old are you, Lexa?
4.
4.
How about Gail?
Gail, ilan taong ka na raw, Gail?
3. How about JF?
JF, 7.
7. Oh. Tall.
Yes. Tol, matangkad ka raw. Ba't pangit?
Guapo. Pogi. Pogi.
What? Pogi?
They always play cell phone.
Sometimes, if I will allow her to use my cellphone.
Hi. 와, 여기 엄청 크네.
Let's go in. Maybe next week they will start it. But they did not know the exact date that our house finish.
Okay.
Okay. Basta pipicturan.
kain tayo. 덥다고 음료수를 사다 줬습니다. 제가 아까부터 계속 밥 먹으라고 저한테 권했는데 지금 필리핀이 락다운이 강화된 상태거든요. 요즘에 또 변이 바이러스 때문에 위험해가지고, 그래서 당분간은 밖에서는 뭐 먹지 않으려고 합니다. 저도 또 민들이 있고 하니까. 그래서 감사하지만 제가 음식은 거절했고 그냥 요 음료수나 빨리 마시고 이제 가야 될 것 같아요. Later 4 p.m. deliver.
Yes.
They deliver. I want to see your new house as soon as possible.
Yes, yes.
Maybe next week
Next week.
I will come back.
Okay.
Next week or next week.
At least Wednesday or Thursday, you can see that they are starting already fixing.
I hope
And
after
also the-
lockdown you can start business here.
Yes. I
Unahin
think
daw muna yun pagtapos.
the money that you gave to Let, she put it in the bank.
Ah, bang.
Bank.
Oh, good.
She had it in the ATM.
Ah. Oh. BDO. I will go home now. See you next time.
Yes, sir.
Take
Thank you
care.
so much. Thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you.